Understanding dairy barn, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, dairy barn. Whether you're new to English or just looking to expand your vocabulary, you've come to the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of dairy barns. A dairy barn is a type of building or structure on a farm. It is specifically designed for housing milking cows and the production of milk and other dairy products. When we break down the phrase, dairy refers to milk-based products, and barn is a term for a storage building typically found on a farm. So, a dairy barn is a farm building where dairy production activities take place. The dairy barn is not just a shelter for cows, it is the heart of dairy operations. Inside, you'll find milking stations, storage tanks for milk, and often a feed storage area. The design of a dairy barn often reflects the need for sanitation, ease of milking, and animal comfort. Farmers spend several hours here daily, making sure their livestock is healthy, and that milk production is efficient and clean. For English learners, the phrase, dairy barn, is a great example of how English words can be combined to describe a specific concept or place. It helps in understanding the way English speakers refer to different aspects of agriculture. Knowing terms like dairy barn can be especially useful for those learning English for practical use in industries like farming, animal husbandry, or even food production. Let's practice using dairy barn in some sentences. The farmer spends his early mornings in the dairy barn, taking care of the cows. We visited a local farm and got a tour of the dairy barn, where we learned how milk is collected. She has a job cleaning the dairy barn and says it's a lot of work but very rewarding. Notice how dairy barn can describe a place, context, or even serve as the subject of a work-related conversation. That's a wrap on our journey through the meaning and use of dairy barn. I hope this video has enriched your vocabulary and given you a better understanding of the phrase. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll continue to learn English with us. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try to use dairy barn in a sentence today. See you in the next video.